All right, so a bunch of things to see here as we go through the pit. I'm just trying to go slowly because I'm trying to see if there's anything that maybe I missed. I've been through this section. Again, we did the hike here in the summer of 2020, but I came back here last fall, and I'm always kind of on the look for things. So here we have the junction box for the fiber optic cable, and so you can see the mileage on there, 101.91, which again is the mileage on the Kinghorn. What's interesting about that is when you use the mileage from that and then you compare it to the mileage from the milepost 101 marker, trying to figure out where milepost 102 is, because as far as I know the marker is not there. They don't jive, they don't line up properly. Oh, we see some cloud. The clouds are rolling back in, so we got a little bit of sunshine here just to kind of muck up our video a little bit. And sorry, there's so there you can see there's a piece of a telegraph pole. The ballast is bad through here. Oh man. We're close to the highway here, and so you can hear the cars zooming past. Again, lots of debris, lots of tie plates and spikes. Bottom end of a telegraph pole. Again, you can just see the size of the pit here, and it's visible from the highway. Like you can see this this pit very well as you drive by. There's another telegraph pole there. Let's go have a peek at this one here. Again, all of this stuff would be obscured if you were coming here in the summer. There's not much left of it. You can see some of the cross beams and some pegs. There's a shard of insulator here. Piece of a Dominion 42. Piece of a track connector. Fish plate there. Sometimes I always forget to turn my head down, because what the camera sees and what my eye sees, what my eyes see is different. Okay, so over here we have a very interesting thing. I don't know if this was thrown here or if this was here, and if it was here, why is it here? And so what we have here is we have a flanger sign. You can see it's in good shape, but it does look like it's stuck in that mound of dirt there, so I'm not sure what's going on here, why it was put there. Okay, so somewhere around here is supposed to be the milepost 102 marker, but we'll take a look. But I don't know if we'll see anything. You see up this is kind of interesting here. The slope on this side of the grade It's a pretty good drop down there. It's probably a good 30-35 feet, if not more. Okay, let's scan the brush here and see if we cannot find milepost 102, if it still exists. Lots of buckets and things like there, so there's some sort of lubricant bucket. There's one of the ceramic insulators from the power line that used to run beside the grade. So telegraph line on the north side and power line on the south side. Most part. There were some variations of that. So milepost 102 should have been here somewhere, but I'm looking. Wow, this is interesting. You actually have indentations from ties here. So what's up with this? Is there a little siding on here? That's kind of weird, unusual. Oh, now it's starting to warm up. This morning it was chilly, and so I got an extra shirt on, and now I'm overheating. Okay, still looking for that milepost 102. Not seeing anything. Again, I looked last year when I looked very diligently, and I did not see it. So it might very well be gone. There's the base of a telegraph pole. There's the ones, this next section here, I don't remember seeing any milepost markers. Again, here you can see that there's indentations from ties in there. So was there some sort of siding in here? Like, never mind indentations, there's ties here. You can actually still see the ties. So what the heck is going on here? Look, you have the ties still in place. So I don't... Alright, I'm gonna have to look on some timetables here and see if there's something here. Because I don't remember that. I don't remember seeing anything about that. That's new to me. Okay, let's go. Look, you can see it all along here. See, you learned something new. I did not know about that. Yeah, I can still see the ties in here. All right, so here is supposed to be the mesh point between the line, the main line here, and the spur coming off of the pit. And so you can see the pit back that way, and over here somewhere there's some stuff. So you can see some ties with the plate still on them. There's supposed to be some stuff over here. Oh, Luna sees a partridge. There she goes. Ah, there we go. I knew there was some stuff here. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm gonna see if I can find out what the heck these things are, because I have no clue. And there's a whole bunch of them lying around. And then there should be, oh, that's over here, a telegraph pole here. And so this one's actually in pretty decent shape. Just some Dominion 42s left on there, and some of the Armstrong insulators on the end. Yeah, I think any of the good stuff is gone. All right, so okay, we're gonna hop back up on the bike here and just continue our westward journey. We're almost at the end of our hike, which is just coming up just ahead.